Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So here I'll be showing you how to join your shoulder pad. I have two shoulder pads with me and I'm just going to trim out. Okay, these fuller parts will be at the sleeve side, like the shoulder to the sleeve. Okay, so I'm going to fold it into two and I'm going to give it a curve just like this. So this is what it looks like after I finish giving it the curve. And I'm going to be using the material to this my doll face to cover it. Here I've gone ahead to cut out my doll face. Okay, I used the shape to cut it and I added ½ inch all round. So I'm going to, and I cut out two for one, like I cut out four. So I'm going to sew round to cover it, and I'll leave a space, okay, where I'll pass my shoulder pad. I'm going to be leaving a space, maybe 1 or 2 inches space at this upper part. So I'm just going to sew round, then I will tuck it in. Okay, this is what I mean. This is the one I've done. Okay, I sewed round and tuck my shoulder pad inside my doll face, and this is the shape it has. Now after I was done with that, I'm just going to show you how to attach it to your dress. Okay, right now I've gone ahead to pass my needle and my thread. Okay, and I'm going to use a matching thread for this. You can use an invisible thread for this. Remember, we are attaching it to the skein net at the shoulder. That's the yoke. So I'm just going to pass it inside. Here I'm just showing you how to do this. I've not closed the opening I have. I'm just showing you how to do it first. Okay, so right now I made sure that the middle is sitting on this line, this my seam line, that my shoulder line. Okay, then I told you that the fuller part should be at the shoulder to the sleeve. So that is what I'm just trying to achieve. And make sure you're going to be sewing on this seam line. Okay, you're sewing on this seam line. You're just going to tack it in using your needle and thread to tack it on your seam line. Now I'm using my pins to hold it down so it will not shake, okay, when I'm sewing it. So use your hand to straighten it out. That is what I just did. I used my hand to straighten it out so it will lay flat on my shoulder. Now remember I said if you are adding shoulder pad to your dress, you have to add back ½ inch to your shoulder measurement while drafting your pattern. So right, I'm showing you how to join the second shoulder pad. Do the same thing. The fuller part should be at the sleeve, shoulder to the sleeve. And make sure it's laying on the same line. That is the middle. You fold your shoulder part into two, then place the middle to be on your shoulder line. I'll pin down with my needle before I tack. So after pinning it down, I'm just going to start tacking. To tack, you're going to tack it in a way that it's going to be neat and it's not going to show. Now I'm passing my thread under my needle, under, okay, that way it will not show at the outside. Then I'm going to be tacking on that line, that my shoulder line. I'm just going to tack on that shoulder line till the end, and when you get to the end, you pass your thread inside again, like under, and you tie it, like give it a knot so it will not lose. So now after doing this, you can decide to use pearl beads to do a clustered bead, okay, to do a cluster bead on that shoulder pad. So I'm just going to finish this up. So guys, that's all for this class. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for always coming back, for my returning subscribers, and I love you all. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting tutorials. Bye, see you next time.